When we see articles like this that state that home sales are stalled as mortgage rates are at 7%, that's the mortgage industry's fault. It goes on to say that the housing market is on hold until rates come down. See, this is an education problem. Now, we know this to be true. We're generating thousands of buyer leads per month. There's millions of people going online every month searching for homes. But the problem is people want to go online to find out information, but then that information scares them. The pre-approval letter that they get states they can buy a home, but they don't know that a true mortgage professional will help them understand if they should buy a home. It's not a lack of desire. It's just a lack of understanding. If you've been looking for a home, if you're waiting for rates to come down, if you're hoping that you get a tailwind that automatically shows up and just, presents itself as the time to buy a home, that's not going to happen. So what I would encourage you to do is reach out to a mortgage advisor who is focused on education, advice, guidance, and they will develop a plan and a strategy and a timeline for you to buy a home. Because whether mortgage rates are at 8%, 7%, 6%, whatever it is, it's really more of a matter of, is it the time for you to buy a home or to sell a home? There's people that have been rate locked in at 2 to 3% for years. That home is no longer appropriate for them. And if they actually looked at a financial transition plan from one home to the next, they would realize the rate doesn't matter. It actually is a good time to sell and buy something different or move up or down or out of the area. So if you're a real estate professional, make sure you're working with a mortgage professional who realizes the difference between showing someone what they can do and explaining to someone what they should do. If you're a prospective homeowner or a current homeowner trying to navigate this market, reach out to a mortgage professional who is going to be advice-driven, who is going to be consultative and help you figure out a timeline, a plan, and a strategy. But the fact that the housing market is stalled, that is a mortgage industry problem, but it's also something that we can fix.